Hello creative friends, it's Lisa and Krista and welcome to our channel Farmhouse Rose Co. DIY number 1 is Farmhouse Heart Garland. We're going to start off with 3 of the foam hearts from Dollar Tree, and 2 of the hearts have small hearts hanging in the center, and we're just going to take those apart because we're going to be using those in a different way in the DIY. The paint that we're using today on the 3 large hearts is a color sample from Lowe's in the color Charming Pink. These little sample paints are only about $4, and we just gave all of the large hearts 2 coats, front and back. And then we just gave the small hearts 2 coats of red chalk paint. I just love the Valentine's Day deco mesh that they have this year. It has little white foam balls all over it, and we're just going to take that deco mesh and we're going to put it on the back of our large hearts, trim off the excess, and glue it into place. I wanted something different for these foam hearts instead of just painting them, and I just love how it looks with the deco mesh added to them. And we're going to add deco mesh to all 3 of the large hearts. And then we're just going to use strings from a Dollar Tree mop to make the hangers for the hearts. Next, we're just going to string our hearts on a piece of twine, enough to fit across our fireplace. DIY number 2 is a double heart Be Mine stuffed sign. We're going to start by removing the tinsel from the double heart sign from Dollar Tree. Next, in this DIY, we're going to be using a drop cloth that we got from Walmart. We're going to be taking our heart frame and laying it out on our drop cloth and tracing around the heart, leaving about an inch overlap. Next, we're going to take some red and white twine and a plastic needle, and you can see here I'm just sewing around where the plastic frame is. And we're going to do that all the way around until we get between the 2 hearts. We're going to leave the opening there, and then we're going to take some stuffing, stuff both hearts, and then finish sewing it the rest of the way. Now we're just going to trim off any uneven material all around the hearts. And then I did go back in with some hot glue, and I just glued all around the edges of the hearts because there was some gaps, and it just made it look a little more finished. And to finish this DIY up, we just added a couple of the chalkboard hearts, put B on one, mine on the other, and then we just hot glued them into place. Thanks so much for watching today's video. Today's positive quote is, "Believe you can and you're halfway there." Theodore Roosevelt. Creative friends, we believe in you and you're capable of amazing things. We have more videos to come. Until next time.